My name is Huong. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. And I have been living here since I was a little girl. I live very near the center of Hanoi and in a small apartment with my parents. I have a sister, so we used to live together, but now my sister get married and she moved out. And yeah, I got my own room. That's the good side of it. It's very normal in Vietnam that the woman or the man will stay with their parents until they get married, and just after that they move out. My parents are actually very nice. We getting on well with each other and there's no problem staying with them. My house is about 15 minutes far away from my office. Normally I would take a scooter to go to my office. Every person have one scooter in Vietnam, and even more than that. Even I'm the head of the office in here, I still want people to think that they're friends, they're colleagues. I want people to work together very friendly. At first, I hired 3 photo editors. 2 years after that, we become 30 people. And just a year later, we have 170 people. That's a lot of work, but that was amazing when I see the company grow so much, and I'm part of it. I'm so proud. Every month I take a week to go to a university, and that's where I take my MBA, because I think when the company getting bigger and bigger, I need more skills, and I have been taking some courses in marketing, in people leadership, and finance accounting. I would love to stay with the company, to go strong with it, to grow old with it. I think that I'm a really lucky girl. I have all the opportunities that I would want to have and anybody would want to have. And I hope that in the future, if any opportunities would come across, I will be open and be ready to grab it.